Assalamu Alaikum everyone. In the previous videos, we understood Ihram, Miqat, Niyya and Talbiya. Now let's learn how to perform Tawaf step by step, the first ritual of Umrah after reaching Makkah. What is Tawaf? Tawaf means circling the Kaaba 7 times in a specific way. It is performed inside Masjid al-Haram and is an essential part of Umrah. Before starting Tawaf, make sure you are in the state of Ihram, have wudu, cover your body properly and reach the area around the Kaaba. Where to start? Tawaf begins at the black stone known as Hajr al-Aswad. You should position yourself facing the Kaaba near the black stone. Make sure the Kaaba is on your left side before you begin. What if you cannot see Hajr al-Aswad? Due to heavy crowds, you may not be able to see it. In that case, you can use the green light on the wall of Masjid al-Haram. This green light shows the line of the black stone and helps you identify where each round starts and ends. Now let's understand what is Istelaam. When you reach the starting point, you should perform Istelaam. If possible, you may kiss Hajr al-Aswad. If that is not possible, you can touch it. And if you cannot reach it due to crowd, simply raise your right hand towards it and say Allahu Akbar. How to use the green light? As you walk, every time you reach this green light again, it means one round is completed. This helps you keep track of your 7 rounds. Now let's understand intention for Tawaf. Make intention in your heart that you are performing Tawaf for Umrah and there is no specific dua required, just a sincere intention. How to perform Tawaf? Now begin walking around the Kaaba in an anti-clockwise direction. The Kaaba should always be on your left side. You must complete 7 rounds. Each round starts and ends at the black stone. What to recite during Tawaf? There is no fixed dua for Tawaf. You can make any dua, recite Quran or do any zikr. However, between the Yamani corner and the black stone, it is a sunnah to recite this dua which is on my screen. Special rule for men. For men, during the first 3 rounds, walk slightly faster with short steps. This is called Ramal. For the remaining 4 rounds, walk normally. Women should walk normally in all 7 rounds. What if it's crowded? If it's crowded, do not push or harm others. You can point towards the black stone from a distance. Focus on your worship calmly. After completing 7 rounds, your Tawaf is complete. Now you have to offer 2 rakat prayer. After Tawaf, pray 2 rakats. If possible, pray near Maqam Ibrahim. If not, you can pray anywhere in the mosque. After prayer, drink Zamzam water and make dua. Some common mistakes people make are losing count of rounds, pushing others near the black stone, thinking specific duas are required, walking in the wrong direction. Here is a simple rule to remember. Start at the black stone, complete 7 rounds, keep the Kaaba on your left, make dua and stay calm. How many times is Istelaam done? Istelaam is done 8 times in total. First time before starting Tawaf, then at the start of each of the 7 rounds. So every time you reach the line of Hajr al-Aswad, you raise your hand. If you cannot touch or kiss, say Allahu Akbar. Simple rule. Every time you pass Hajr al-Aswad, do Istelaam. Important details to remember. Tawaf must be done in a state of wudu like prayer. If your wudu breaks, you should stop, renew it and continue from where you left. Men should keep their right shoulder uncovered during Tawaf. This is called Idtiba. Only during Tawaf, not all the time. Ramal. In the first 3 rounds, men should walk slightly faster with short steps. This is called Ramal. In the remaining 4 rounds, walk normally. Women do not perform Ittiba or Ramal. They walk normally in all rounds. What if you lose count? If you are unsure about the number of rounds, go with the lower number to be safe. Break during Tawaf. If prayer or salah starts, stop your Tawaf, pray in congregation, then continue from where you stopped. Please try to avoid these mistakes. Pushing others, thinking specific duas are required, talking unnecessarily, taking selfies instead of focusing. The direction is very important. Always keep the Kaaba on your left side. Walking in the wrong direction will invalidate Tawaf. Hatim, very important. The semicircle area near the Kaaba is part of the Kaaba. Do not walk through it during Tawaf. You must walk around it. Tawaf is an act of worship, not rush. Stay calm, focused and respectful. After Tawaf, the next step is Sa'i between Safa and Marwa, which we will explain in the next video. May Allah accept your Umrah and make it easy for you. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe and watch the full series to understand Umrah step by step.